justice, justice, justice. Justice to the lowest, lowest, lowest. Justice to the lowest, lowest, lowest. We want justice, justice, justice. We want six to do, we want six to do. Up too long leg, long leg, long leg. Up too long leg, long leg, long leg. Up too long leg, long leg, long leg. No six to the no rest, no rest, no rest. No six to the no rest, no rest, no rest. Our demand, legal demand, legal demand, legal demand. Our demand, legal demand, legal demand, legal demand.
We want sectional, we want sectional, sectional, no rest, no rest, no rest. Sectional, no rest, no rest, no rest. We want sectional, sectional, sectional. We want sectional, sectional, sectional. Our demand, legal demand, legal demand, legal demand. Our demand, legal demand, legal demand, legal demand. We want sectional, sectional, sectional. Sectional, no rest, no rest, no rest. Our demand, legal demand, legal demand, legal demand. Our demand, legal demand, legal demand, legal demand. We want justice, justice, justice. We want justice, justice, justice. We want sectional, sectional, sectional. Sectional, no rest, no rest, no rest. Sectional, no rest, no rest, no rest. Our demand, legal demand, legal demand, legal demand. Our demand, legal demand, legal demand, legal demand. We want sectional, sectional, sectional. We want sectional, sectional, sectional. Sectional, no rest, no rest, no rest. Sectional, no rest, no rest, no rest. We want justice, justice, justice. We want sectional, sectional, sectional.
All Tiwa Students Union long, Tiwa Yuva Sabta Parishad long live. ঐতিহাসিক Tiwa Rajdoba long live. ঐতিহাসিক Tiwa Rajdoba long live. All Tiwa Protection Committee long live. Tiwa Unity long live. We want check children. We want check children. No sexual, no rest. No sexual, no rest. Our demand legal demand. Our demand legal demand. We want justice.
Myself, Senator Malang, advisor of all Tiwa Students Union.
So, which demands you have like to India government for our culture, for our languages?
We have been demanding for the last 6 decades of independence. We have to create 6 autonomy in Central Assam. First, second one, we have been demanding 3 LSC constituencies in Central Assam, namely Jagrut, Morigaon and Raha. Number 3, in 2017, Eastern government created an act, ASCARDA, Assam State Capital Region Development Authority Act. We have been vehemently opposing this act due to the safety of indigenous peoples' language, culture and tradition. So we have been vehemently opposing this act. We should abolish the act from the area of protected tribal belt and block and Tiwa Autonomous Council area. Number 4, we have own language, mother tongue, but our language has been diminished. The speaker of the Tiwa people, but we have to reorganize the language. We have to rehabilitate the language. We have to revive the language for our existence. So our Tiwa language speaker people should be increased day by day, but it has been diminished now. So we have to establish the language, institutionalizing in the lower primary schools. So this is our major demand. And number 5 is illegal migration has been taking place from the time of independence. They may be migrated from other states to Central Assam or Assam, but they may be infiltrated from the other countries, from the other nations to Assam. So the illegal mutation and illegal land transfer is taking place there. We have been opposing this to save our land and tradition and language and culture there. as a prehistoric, I mean, identity, having identity people. We have a gigantic background there.
Number one, our demand 6 schedule on the provision of Indian Constitution, Constitutional 244A. And number two, we want 3 reservation seats. 3 reservation seats are Morigao, Loha and Jagiri. Number 3, Askada Act 2017. Abolish Askada Act. Number 4, Tiwa language institutionalization primary level. And number 5, regional council. We demand regional council for living of Tiwa people. Karbi Autonomous Council. We demand regional council. And number 6, protected tribal belt and block. लैंड कोई ट्रांसफर नहीं करेगा जो ट्राइबल बेल्ट एंड ब्लॉक का एरिया में. नंबर 7, हमारा तिवा पीपुल का बास करेगा यो मेघालय स्टेट में. जो तिवा है वो तिवा के एसटी मजरा चाहिए. ये 7 दिन.
तो आप आखिरी मेरा सवाल हो रहेगा, जो आप बताना चाहते हैं चारों को, अपनी कम्युनिटी को, तो कैसे आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे लोगों को, अपनी कम्युनिटी के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहेंगे? जो आपका सभ्याचार है, जो आप मनाते हैं, जैसे कैसे रहता है, रहन सहन है, आपकी पॉपुलेशन है, उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए कि आम लोगों को भी पता लगे जो आपका सहयोग करें.
तो सही है. ये हमारा जो पीपुल जो आदमी है, हमारा तिवा आदमी है. तिवा आदमी के लिए जो डिमांड किया है हम जनता मंत्र आके सब सपोर्ट करने से हमारा डिमांड को फुलफिल.
जनजीवन कैसा है? जैसे सिख लोग हैं, हिंदू लोग हैं, अपनी धर्म रीति रिवाज जैसे मनाते हैं, तो आप में कैसे और क्या किया जाता है जो लोगों को पता लगे कि आप भी अपने सभ्याचार के लिए, अपनी भाषा के लिए, अपने उसके लिए लड़ रहे हैं, हक के लिए?
हाँ, हमारा तो जो हमारा तिवा लोग है, तिवा लोग का हमारा सभ्यता है, सभ्यता था. और पहले तो भाषा भी था, लेकिन ये विलुप्त हो गया.
भाषा का नाम
तिवा लैंग्वेज.
आपको एसपी में आप कह रहे हैं कि शामिल नहीं किया जा रहा है, इसकी वजह से जो आपको नुकसान, आपकी कम्युनिटी को नुकसान क्या हो रहा है स्टडी में, जहां और कोई जो सुविधा मिलती है उसमें क्या क्या आपको नहीं मिल रहा है?
हाँ, इसीलिए हमारा तो बोला है, हमारा तो तिवा लोग 3 समस्ती में अभी तो 50% एबव हो गया परसेंटेज. सो इसीलिए हम ये जो डेलिमिटेशन होगा आगे में 2025 में 2025 में हम ये डेलिमिटेशन है 3 seats to 50% एबव. सो वी आर डिमांड आवर 3 स्टेट 3 कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी हमको एसटी रिजर्वेशन चाहिए.
We want 6 schedule. 6 schedule. Our demand legal demand. Legal demand. Our demand legal demand. Legal demand. We want justice. Justice. We want justice. Justice. No schedule, no rest. No rest. No 당만 맞지 지라야. No 당만 맞지 지라야. We want justice. We want justice. Tiwa Jump 9 point. You are jump 5 0.